Hello, this is Yannis from Press-Ons by Yannis, and this is a Sweetie Nail Supply haul. Sweetie Nail Supply is a Canadian distributor of Korean gels, and I ordered a few things from her. So let's open it up.
Card, the invoice, and of course the stuff that I got.
Let's start with these. This is the Diami Rough Gel in white, I believe. Yep. It is a rather rough textured gel that's very nice for for tweed nails. Then I have these black and white painting gels. My current black is basically Donzo, and I still have white, but that has become a little bit runny and I don't quite like it anymore, so I might just need to throw it away. And this is then the D-gel ones, black and white, and these are D-gel for painting gels in, well, also a light grey and a dark grey. This is the light grey, this is the dark grey.
Then this one right here. Where can I open this? Yeah.
This is the Jello Bear Beige zigzag gel. It's non-wipe zigzag gel, supposedly.
We'll see if it's actually non-wipe. Oh, come on.
It comes in a tube like this. It has, what's the amount in there? There's this one, and then this one is a sponge picker that comes with these sponges.
And let's see, where do I open this one? Over here. There,
So this one works like so. So, and here are like little sponges, and they go like this. So you have a sponge on top right there, and then you can easily do your ombres and stuff without actually spilling everywhere.
and then I got this one.
The 1 kill peel off set. So obviously the set comes with the remover, the peel off gel that you cure under the light for a minute, and some orange
To help you peel off your nails once you're ready to remove them.
I think I should have ordered like 2 of these, but considering I still have the base gel.
Still have one in here that's like still pretty much going strong.
I'm not going to open this one just yet, so that one's going to chill in my cart. And this one I'm going to need to use sooner rather than later because this one is nearly done. Now I have one very full bottle that's spilling. A little too full. But it's okay. That's okay. We can work with that. So yeah, that was the end of the haul. I hope you guys liked it. I promise there's going to be actual nail content coming up. I've had a pretty busy week at work, so I haven't been able to film as much. I already missed the Wednesday upload video. On Wednesday I tried filming a whole video from Pretty Yakuda, but I just wasn't feeling it, and I might have to just do another whole video on that, but just showing the products rather than just an unboxing. So I will see you guys in the next video, which should be Sunday. Bye!